people, I'm Donyetta. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Dyetta, where we discuss all things fabulous. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the March Delta Box. For those who aren't aware, the Delta Box is an exclusive subscription-based box for the sorors of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. So let's get into what's in this month's box. This month's theme is Making a Splash This Spring. What's in the box? We have the Delta Sigma Theta rain jacket and a stadium tote. Here is the rain jacket. It has a zipper up top. It has a horizontal zipper going across the body. And it also has drawstrings that you can adjust around the hood. I like that. And here is the stadium tote. This will come in handy during your sports season, anytime you're going into arena, and there is a clear bag policy. So that's the March Delta Box. If you would like to subscribe as a soror of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, or if you would like to gift a box to a soror, click the link in my description and save $10 off of your first box. Until next time, stay fabulous.